You might have missed one picture, maybe. This time, at the end of this, we're probably going to have to change the memory card and a battery. I think if you look real close, just to the left of him, I think that's a plane coming in, which is what you hear overhead right now. Could have been another bird. Let's see where I'm at. Nicole Mills. There's an airport up the road at Venice. The town of what I call No More Kiss Beach probably has a small single engine plane airport. There's some decent pictures. Until I just got tired of cropping. It takes a lot. I mean, the species has to be awesome for me to crop it. But I can see some good details. I'm looking over at the computer screen going, yeah, oh, there's that. That's the clearest picture is the one I'm looking at on the camera. There's a good detailed picture. Another one. Good wing picture there. And those wings are probably 3 or 4 foot long. Yeah. They're pretty big birds. I'd say at least probably 3 foot wing. So that's probably almost a 7 foot wingspan. That's a good picture there. I don't know how detailed it showed in the video, but you could see the water droppings coming off. Fisherman's net casting out for bait. That was a pretty cool picture right there. Probably a son in the background there. Father, son. Could have been 2 kids, but I doubt it. It was probably a father-son duo. Yeah. He's happy about that. That's a good picture of it. I don't know how well it's showing up on video, but the picture itself is pretty awesome. Now watch, the birds just come out of nowhere. It might have been 2 kids. Yeah, now that I'm looking at it, it's probably 2 kids. And one kid's trying to pick them up. Look at all the birds. Had what, 2 or 3 in the first picture? Now we're up to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11 at least. 12 if you count the one over on. Look, there's just more of them. They're everywhere. And they eat them. They eat them so fast. That one's coming in for a dive bomb. You can tell these photos are just shot. Boom, 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 boom. Just look at the wingspans. I'm trying to get a picture of when I'm picking it up off the ground. But it is definitely a food frenzy. This guy over on the right hand side, oh look, the guy's throwing them. Focus on the water and way in the background, not the birds right in front. There, one's got it in his mouth. I think I can change out memory card without taking the camera off the pod. Not in that door. I guess it's in with the batteries. Like it is on my Nikon L3200. This is the Sony. Ooh, there might be a memory card right there. Nope, no memory card. It's gotta be in the in with the batteries. So might shoot one more video before we have to change out the memory card and the batteries. By the way, we're viewing, it's over 6,000 photos. I love his head. His head is so cool looking. There's a really good shot of it right there. Alright, back to the Osprey. He hasn't moved. And trust me, taking those photos of the... I think they're egrets. I definitely had my eye on him, watching him. He didn't move for a while, though. Now all of a sudden he was gone. I don't know if this particular day there might be some pictures of father-daughter surfing. If not, it'll be 3 guys surfing. I was trying to catch the Osprey. He did move. But that's the South Jetty Beach in the background. That's so nicely in focus. He's a little more in focus. I love them rocks. Oh, there he is. Okay. You can't really see him. And as a photographer, it is not easy to follow a bird in flight. There's that pretty flower again. See, this on the picture I'm looking at, it's not that white. I don't know how it's going to show up on video, but in the screen it's showing me that there's a little bit of the darkness in the middle, and then it's kind of light pink around the edges. And this is just a reflection video in the picture. There's a very small light breeze, so it was just, enough to wrinkle the water, but I wasn't getting that perfect reflection. Is he really picking? See, these pelicans just fly right in this tree, right by the car. And it's 10:30, so according to the picture. So this might be me at the car. I don't think he's really by himself. Okay, this is 7:29. Let's see where we're at. Two days later. Not the island. This may be up. See, I'm trying to lay on the ground here, or I was squatting probably. This may be. Oh, there's the White House. So this may be the island. Trying to think of anywhere else I go that's got a lighthouse. I don't think so. I think the island's the only place I go that's got a lighthouse. That's a good little shot. It's funny to watch these birds because these little crabs come up out of the sand when the water washes up over them. And then as the water recedes, the birds run in and try to grab all these little crabs before they get back in the sand. It's kind of cool to watch. It's probably on a video. Maybe. I'm thinking this is the island though. I'm not sure any of the picture's gonna for sure tell me that that's where I'm at. Okay, we gotta stop a video.